TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as it looks like a lower opening to start off Tuesday trading. Currently, you have the Dow futures negative 32 points, trading at 24,099. S&P futures negative by 1 point, trading at 2646, and the NASDAQ futures negative by 4 points, trading at 6608. Let's start things off, jump over to the Nadex platform and check in on some of the futures markets with 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. Start things off with the Dow 30. We've had some volatility in both directions overnight. Back this up even a little bit. You can see where that decline of about 38 points is where we sit. That's just about under 0.2%. We were up there at about midnight, 1 a.m. at 24,180. We're about 100 points below that level currently, 24,079 on the Dow. NASDAQ 100, not quite the swings that we've seen in either direction. Both the NASDAQ and the S&P within about 0.1% negative. NASDAQ 100 just above 6,600, 6,601 currently in the NASDAQ 100. Interesting enough, too, don't forget, we have Apple earnings after the bell tonight. Should be interesting. S&P 500 currently trading 2644. We're a little bit lower, about 6 a.m. early this morning, but we're bouncing around as well. Crude oil declining overnight. We'll back this up a bit. You can see it started about 11 midnight Eastern time. We were up there approaching $69. From there, we're down about $1 from that level, currently trading $67.74. Of course, we'll get the API inventory numbers tonight after the closing bell, 4:30 Eastern time. Gold contract bouncing around as well, and we'll back this up so you can see the slide in the overnight session. So it looks like the highs as we come into that market close, we're up there approaching $13.20. We're down about $10, $12 from that level, $13.0896. Should be interesting. You have the Fed starting their two-day meeting today. We'll get an announcement 2 p.m. tomorrow, being Wednesday. No rate hike expected, but it'll be interesting to see what kind of language they have in their statement. And Bitcoin under 9,000, Bitcoin trading 88.98. So it is earnings season, as we said. You have Apple after the bell today. We had some earnings already this morning, and as we finish this up, let's just jump over. You had Pfizer out with their earnings. Pfizer looking to open lower, closed yesterday at $36.61, trading at about $36. And you also had Under Armour with their earnings coming out as well. Under Armour bouncing around, looks relatively flat from where we were yesterday. Stay tuned. Larry Pesavento coming up right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great day, everybody.